Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I am going to be talking about MRK, which is basically a Merck company. And Merck company seems to be breaking out a bullish flag formation. It is heading much higher. I do think that there might be some resistance at the 42 area based on the 2009 high that it was able to receive, or it was able to achieve. Now, because we're talking about the $42 area, even if it reaches up at that point, chances are, I think that maybe Merck company might have a shot at achieving a much longer term uptrend, and perhaps reach into that 6150 area. This is because they are, I guess, the recent product Ventafolide that they partnered with Endocyte might be a driving factor behind the recent demand for Merck company stock, or that perhaps the street has undervalued Merck company in retrospect or in comparison to other companies that are trading at higher risk-adjusted rates for return. So that being said, Merck company undervalued, being bought up by the street. There's been a lot of selling lately, but Merck company has been pretty immune to that. And maybe it has something to do with their product portfolio, or maybe because the street has seen it, has thought, is buying it up now that they think that it's undervalued in retrospect. All I know is this: the stock is trending higher. It is above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. The volume is relatively moderate. It did have a minor pullback on the session, but amongst the Dow component, this stock was the least impacted. Well, not the least. I mean, but it had the lowest. It was the fifth best performer, I guess, on the Dow, I think, for the session. So only I think as the stock market fell by 0.8%, I think the blue chips really got hit hard today. But amongst the blue chips, I mean, this stock was just rock solid. It only fell by 0.8%, kind of held up to its 1.0 beta on the session. But I think it was 0.8% or 0.4%. Either way, it held on to its beta pretty nicely. Other stocks like Kraft, I think Kraft was the only positive stock on the session. But even over the short term, you can see that people really want to hold on to Merck company. They think that there's something going on over at Merck, and because they do think there's something going on at Merck, or maybe because the street undervalued its performance. Either way, people want to hold on to it, people want to buy it, and because people want to buy it, I think the stock is heading higher, and I think it will sustain this trend. So take care, folks. Hope you guys have a wonderful trading session, and I will talk to you guys more on Friday.